Hello, YouTubers. This is Dan again with the kerosene heater. Uh, just exploring new capabilities of the heater. While heating the entire house, my omelet is ready. Not so perfect omelet, but it was done for the video, so it's a little clumsy. And the tea is almost done. There's a tea bag to the left. Oh, yeah, it's hot. It's about to get boiled. So we're heating the entire house. I just remind that we're heating two floors, the main floor and the attic, and we're also cooking something. I'm just so excited about the combination of two. That's why I decided to do this video. Okay, it's pretty warm. It's -7 Fahrenheit outside, so it's pretty cold. It's very cold, and wind chill is like I don't know, minus million. So we're freezing right now. And oh, okay, okay. I know you're the head of the household. I understand. Yeah, yeah. So this heater really brings the joy into this winter. Okay, see you guys next time.